When it comes to trading, most people only show the highlights. But the truth is, for a lot of us, it starts at rock bottom. I had to reset everything, and I'm starting over, but this time as a trader, full time. You know, when life knocks you down, you stand back up and you risk it all again. Back to the basics. Trading isn't all that glamorous, but for me, starting over is the only way forward. Treat every day like day one. And it's okay to start small and make mistakes, but the only way you're going to learn is to start. Process over profits. Who cares if you fail? The problem is, did you try? You're going to lose trades. But every loss is tuition. Every mistake is feedback. Protect your capital and be patient. Focus on the process. I'm rebuilding as a trader, brick by brick. And I'm bringing you with me through all the wins, the losses, and everything in between. So if you're starting over too, stick around. And if you can, hit the subscribe button. And let's build this journey, one trade at a time. My name is Bruce Ray. And this is Trader's Ambition. Let's get it. Thank you.